Now we'll start with glomerulus, and this is the Bowman capsule. This is the proximal convoluted tubule, part 1, part 2, pars recta. This is the Henle loop. This is the descending limb. This is the ascending limb. And this is the distal convoluted tubule, connecting tubule, cortical connecting duct, collecting duct. This is the medullary collecting duct. Capillary duct, duct of Bellini, and this is the structure of the renal pyramid, and this is the minor calyx. Duct of Bellini drains into the minor calyx, and this is the glomerulus. Glomerulus is a tuft of capillary. It starts from the afferent arteriole. Afferent arteriole forms from the interlobular artery, and this is the Bowman capsule. Bowman capsule is a cup-shaped structure, and it has two layers, visceral layer and parietal layer. This is the visceral layer and this is the parietal layer, and the space within it is called the Bowman space. The visceral layer, their cells are somewhat different. It is called the podocytes, and the podocytes are the have the structure like pseudopodia. It has the structure like it has some pseudopodia. This is the podocytes, and interdigited to each other. This is the podocyte. It rests on the basement membrane and on the basement membrane, the renal, that is the glomerular epithelium, rests. Epithelial cell rests. So there is a membrane, there is a filtering membrane, there is a membrane through which, this is the glomerulus and this is the Bowman capsule, and there is a membrane through which the glomerular filtrate passed from the glomerulus to the Bowman space. Now you see the structure, and this membrane is called the filtering membrane. আমরা এবার পিকচারটা দেখি। This is the glomerular capillary and surrounded by the visceral layer of the Bowman capsule. This is the glomerular capillary and this is the visceral layer of the Bowman capsule. These are the podocytes. And there is the pseudopodia. This is pseudopodia. আমরা নেক্সট আরেকটা পিকচার দেখলে বুঝতে পারবো। In this picture, this is the podocyte, and they have the pseudopodia. This is the pseudopodia, and the filtering membrane has key component. That number 1, it is a capillary endothelium. Number 2, basement membrane. It contains the type 4 collagen fiber. এটা কিন্তু এই টাইপ 4 collagen আবার মনে রাখতে হবে, এটা তোমাদের এমডি এন্ট্রান্সে আসে, এমডি এন্ট্রান্সের এমসিকিউ কোশ্চেনে আসে। and it has 3 layers: outer cementing layer, lamina densa, and inner cementing layer. On the outer cementing layer the podocytes rest, and the lamina densa it is the middle layer, and the inner cementing layer the endothelial that is the capillary endothelial rest. And the podocytes is the আমি যেটা বললাম তোমাদের, it is the have the pseudopodia, and there is a fenestration between the there is the fenestration between the endothelial layer. This is the fenestration between the at the endothelial layer, and it has the 70 to 90 nanometer diameter. This 70 to 90 nanometer diameter. There is the pores within the basement membrane, and the pores is the size of 7 to 8 nanometer. So and there is a space between the pseudopodia, between the pseudopodia of the podocytes, and this called the filtration slit, and it is the diameter of the 25 nanometer. So দেখো এখানে হচ্ছে 70 to 90 nanometer, this is the 7 to 8 nanometer only, and this is the 25 nanometer. So the particle of the 4 nanometer to 8 nanometer, they only pass through the filtering membrane. There is another cell present at the renal corpus cell, is called the mesangial cell. What is mesangial cell? It is a pericyte like stellate cell. Pericyte মানে epithelial cell, অন্য capillary যে তোমার যে pericyte cell থাকে, it is like that type of the cell. It is located between the Bowman capsule and the endothelium, and it is contractile. It is like the myoepithelial cell, and function as they are contractile, so they can change the filtering membrane, they can change the shape of the glomerular capillary, and they secrete prostaglandin, cytokines, they secrete extracellular matrix, they have the power of phagocytosis of the immune complex, and involved in different renal disease. That is example হচ্ছে mesangial proliferative glomerulonephritis. তোমরা দেখো, this is the podocyte, this is the site of the podocyte. They are situated between the endothelium and this is the brown color, this is the basement membrane, this is the basement membrane, this is the basement membrane. They are situated most likely between the two capillary, the basement membrane where there is shear and there is a space, and within this space the mesangial cells are present. And when they have as their contractile power, contraction of this cell causes the kinking of the glomerular capillary, so the surface area changes and the glomerular filtration also changes. When they proliferate, it's a mesangial proliferative glomerulonephritis. তোমরা যখন ফাইনাল ইয়ারে উঠবে মেডিসিন পড়বে তখন দেখবে যে mesangial proliferative glomerulonephritis, সেখানে এই mesangial cell proliferate too much and so changes the glomerular filtration.